Enabling AMBA Insurance's transformation with smarter data, faster reports. A case study. When reporting bottlenecks threatened to undermine AMBA Insurance's service to 400+ associations, they didn't just need better data. They needed to reimagine their entire analytics approach. Let's look at what held them back. They were dependent on manual reporting, causing delays and errors that slowed down decision-making. Inconsistent sales data and budget mismatches only worsened the situation, making their insights unreliable. Without automated systems to roll over reports, they were stuck with time-consuming manual adjustments. That's when Kanerika stepped in with Power BI Power Automate, transforming AMBA's data management process. We introduced near real-time Power BI dashboards, giving the team instant access to key metrics. Designed custom reports to enhance operational insights and decision-making. By automating report generation and with Power Automate, we reduced manual effort and errors. Results achieved: real-time report availability, elimination of manual reporting tasks, improved accuracy and data consistency. Are you struggling with inefficient reporting? Let's optimize your data together. Reach out to our experts today.